Hello, welcome to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World. I am Surajit Banerjee from the Lean Six Sigma World. So today we will explain what is OEE, that is nothing but overall equipment effectiveness. So OEE, it is a critical metric for optimizing manufacturing processes. It is a very important Lean Six Sigma tool, not only valid uh, in earlier time but also valid in today's world as well. So first of all, we need to know what is OEE. OEE measures the percentage of plant production time that is truly productive. A perfect OEE score is 100%. 100% means 100% availability, 100% performance, and 100% quality. 100% availability means what? There is no downtime. 100% performance means what? It has give you the production which is maximum that it could produce during the period of time. And 100% quality means what? There is no defective products or there is no defects. There is only good quality of products that it has produced. Typically, any manufacturing line basically operates at 60% OEE. 100% OEE basically it is an ideal situation, but manufacturing line it has been observed that it has operated with 60% OEE. So it shows that there is a huge scope for improvement. By optimizing the losses, you can improve your OEE score. And we can find out what is the production time that is truly productive. So OE basically it is a benchmark for manufacturing productivity. Now next is the three pillars of OE. There are three pillars of OE, that is nothing but availability, performance, and quality. Now I have given some formula also, and with example I will let you make you understand about the concept of OE, that how OE is calculated, how to find out OE. So OE is nothing but availability, performance, and quality. If you multiply these three things, you will get OE score. Now availability means what? Suppose your shift time is 10 hours. This just for an example I am telling this. Your shift time is basically considered 10 hours. Your machine was actually available for 8 hours. So your availability of the equipment is basically 8 by 10. That is nothing but 80%. 2 hours may be lost due to 1 hour due to maybe some breakdown. 30 minutes is basically for lunch time, and 15 minutes basically for tea break times. So actually your machine was available for 8 hours, not 10 hours. So availability is 8 by 10, that is nothing but 80%. Now this 8 hours basically your run time. Now in 8 hours, if it was performed to its best potential, it could produce 80 components, but it has actually produced 70 components. So what is my performance of that equipment? That is 70 divided by 80. So it comes 87.5%. That is the performance. So 80 components it could produce if it was performed with 100% capability, but it has actually produced 70 components. So 87.5% is its performance. Now 70 components it has produced, but out of that 60 components are good, 10 are bad. So its quality is basically 60 by 70. That is nothing but 85.71%. So if you multiply all these things, 80%, 87.5%, and 85.71%, you will get a score of 60%. So you get the OEE score as 60%. So that is your OEE score. That is how we can calculate the OEE score. And that is how it is calculated, the OEE score. Now we need to understand the OE is basically a benchmark. So now what score we can consider as a good score? See, 100% is basically perfect OE. It is the ideal situation. But 85% is considered as basically world class. World class. But it is indicating highly efficient operations. So world class basically indicates that it is highly efficient operations. But typically average any manufacturing operates with 60% OE. That means there is significant improvement chances there for that manufacturing line. And any beginner's baseline this starts with OE score, you find it is only 40%. So it shows that there are a lot of losses that we can minimize. There is a lot of losses are there which can be optimized, and you can improve your score from 40 to 60 to 85 to more than that. So that is basically a benchmark. So OE gives you a benchmark. The score gives you a benchmark. It gives you an indication, an alert that what you need to focus on, your losses, your lost time. So by that way, you can optimize your OE score and your productivity can improve. So that is basically the fundamentals behind OEE. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share your comments uh, in our video, and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss our Power Pack videos. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video. So thank you so much for turning up here, and I hope you will learn so many things from our video and many videos we are going to make in coming times as well on different Lean Six Sigma tools. So just follow our channel and you will get everything. You can master Lean Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques and principles, everything. So thank you so much.